In this video, we will go over the automated email follow-up campaigns in EstimateRocket. Campaigns are a series of emails that EstimateRocket sends out automatically based on a set schedule. These are great for saving you the time of having to manually follow up with each of your clients. Let's take a look at them by going to Settings, Follow-up Campaigns. Here is where we can create and edit our campaigns for each stage of a project. Let's take a look at the Pending Acceptance campaign. This is the most popular campaign used to follow up after you have sent a proposal to your customer. Campaigns can be manually triggered by you, or it can be set to automatically start. If set to manual, you will need to click the Start Campaign button inside the project to start it. If they are set to automatic, the campaign will automatically start when that stage of the project is reached. Below that is where you will set which email templates you want to use and then the number of days they will be sent out after. You can learn more about email templates in the tutorial linked in the description of this video. Now let's take a look at how they work within a project. This project is currently in the pending acceptance stage. At this point, I have sent out the estimate to the customer and am waiting to hear back from them. The campaign is currently set to manual, so I will select the Start Campaign button. We can see that the email campaign for the pending acceptance stage is active because the Stop Campaign button is visible, and we can also see the emails queued up to get sent out down in the email row of the project. The campaign can be stopped by selecting the Stop Campaign button or by moving the project to another stage. Once the campaign is stopped, any unsent scheduled emails will be deleted. If you have any questions on follow-up campaigns or any other topic, feel free to reach out to us for help anytime. Thanks for watching.